Ever watched a video where moving object or person is tracked? Something like this. Not to worry, because in this video I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to apply stunning, fading and tracking effect like a pro. Whether you are editing for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or just leveling up your content, this tutorial will transform your edit. Make sure you like and subscribe if this is your first time, as this will enable more people to find this video on YouTube. Now also stick around to the end, because I will also reveal a secret trick to track moving objects faster. Let's dive into it. So let's import our clip. Drag this clip in. This particular person on light green is the person I want us to track. Insert stickers. So click on stickers. We can reduce the size of the sticker as well. So let's reduce the size of the sticker like this, and then let's start from the beginning of the video, and then let me zoom the video a bit. So drop the sticker here, and then what we will do is that we'll move the sticker right where this person is. What we'll also do is that we will ensure that this sticker expands up to the size or duration of the clip we want to use. So the first thing you need to do is, after adding the sticker, place this arrow, this line at the beginning, then come over here, add a keyframe and a position. By the time you play the video, there's a movement. Move this sticker again. Make sure at every movement you're adding keyframe. So you can move this keyframe a bit. Let's allow movement again, a little movement, you can see. So move the sticker again, add a keyframe. So allow movement again, then move the sticker again here, and then add keyframe. Make a movement again, move the sticker, and then click add keyframe. That's what you keep on doing from the start until the person completely move out of this video. You can see it's adding keyframe over here. Now that we are done, so let's go ahead and play back and see how it looks like. That is not the best way to use motion tracking in tracking a moving object, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the best way to apply motion tracking. First, make sure you import your clip. After you import, drag it to the timeline. Let's play it a bit and see. So we want to track this first rider. So we want to use text to capture the name of the rider we want to track. So after you add it, go to the text and then edit it. Let's call it theme. Basically, just apply the settings you prefer, apply the fonts, and then make the text appear the way you want it to be. So let's place the text above the rider. Now to apply motion tracking, what you should do is that select the text, go to the right hand side of your clip, go to the advanced area at the right hand side, select tracking. After selecting tracking, click motion tracking. Now after you click motion tracking, you'll see direction. So on direction, just leave it on both. However, you can select either forward or backward. So drag the motion tracking box to the rider or to the object you want to track automatically, and then select start. You will see a button called start at the right hand side. Click on it. Now when you click on start, what is going to happen is that Capcut will apply the automatic motion tracking to the object or person you highlighted. So let's hold on until let's hold on for the motion tracking to apply. Now that CapCut is done applying the motion tracking, let's go ahead and preview our clip to see how it looks like. So you can see. So that fading effect can be used to create smooth transition between scenes or to convey a mood or change of scene. Now that we have all the 4 clips, to add fading effects, first select the clip you want to apply to, move the arrowhead to the first point, and then scroll up at the right hand side. You will see an option called blend. So make sure the blend is checked. Now, over here, you will see a place called add keyframe. Click on it. Now, after doing that, this alone will not apply the keyframe. You need to apply it on 2 points. So move the arrowhead forward and then add keyframe again. Now, at this point, make sure you drag the opacity. Let's preview. Good. Now let's go ahead and add the fading effect to the other clips. So we come here. So basically you do the same thing. Come to the first point, select the clip first, position the arrowhead on the first point, go up, add keyframe on that blend, move to the second point, add keyframe as well. Right, so make sure on the second point, make sure you reduce the opacity. Okay, so let's move to the next clip. Select the first point, add keyframe. Make sure you select the clip rather, add keyframe, move it to the second point, add keyframe again, then make sure you reduce the opacity. All right, so on the last clip, make sure you select the clip. That's the first thing you should do. Select the clip, move the arrowhead to the first point you want to apply fading effect to, move it to scroll to blend, add keyframe, the dot is added, the point is identified. Select add keyframe again to identify the second point. Then on the second point, reduce opacity, and then we are good. Now that we succeeded in applying fading effect to our clips, let's go ahead and preview it. So you can see the first fading image applied to the first one, and then the second one like that, and then the third one fading effect applied, and then the next clip comes in. So that is how to apply fading effect to your video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video so more people can find it on YouTube. See you on the next video.